Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring syncing and access, because recovery depends on where the note lived. First, make sure note syncing is enabled in iCloud. This tells you whether to search iCloud versus local folders. Once done, open Notes and tap Folders. Look under Recently Deleted and the Account folders. Also confirm your iPhone has Wi-Fi and that you know whether you use iCloud backups or local encrypted backups in Finder or iTunes. That choice determines the next restore method. Once you locate the likely source, act quickly to recover. If the note is in Recently Deleted, tap Edit, select the note, and recover to return it to its original folder. This is immediate. If it's not there, sign into iCloud. From a browser, open Notes, and check both active and recently deleted folders. Restoring here syncs back to your device. If neither place holds the note, prepare to restore a full encrypted backup via Finder or iTunes, because only encrypted backups preserve saved passwords and some attachments. To finish, restore the backup that contains the missing note. Connect your iPhone to your Mac or PC, open Finder or iTunes, choose Restore Backup, and pick the most recent backup that predates deletion, then wait for the sync to complete. Once restored, open Notes, verify attachments and folder placement, and check other synced accounts like Gmail or Exchange in Settings. If you still can't find the note, redo iCloud Sync, try a different backup date, or contact Apple support. Don't create new backups that would overwrite recoverable data.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.